Hi guys, this is Abid. Mostly silk painters and fabric painters use pencil or charcoal for drawing on fabric. Even some are using eye pencils. But the charcoal or pencil marks cannot be easily removed, especially when you are painting with light colors or transparent gutta for outline. I found these markers for drawing on fabric. Basically, these markers are for stitching purposes, but I really amazed when I used these markers for my silk painting project. Make the design when you want to apply the gutta outline on the fabric. Do not wet the fabric when you done the design with this marker. I have done my drawing. Let's apply the water on it and check the quality of this product. When I applied the water on the fabric, my drawing will be disappeared. Now you can watch marker ink dissolved when I applied the water. There are many types of silk painting drawing markers available online, but the problem is they are deliver their products in specific countries. I found these markers on AliExpress and I am sure almost all the silk painting lovers can easily buy this product from AliExpress. I am sharing link of these markers in my video description. Apply any light color on the silk and let the fabric dry. Now draw the design on the silk and when finished apply the water again. Again the marker ink dissolved in the water. This is very useful product. You can use these markers on any type of fabric like cotton, any type of silk, karandi, chiffon and organza. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and if you like the video press the like button and share your opinion. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.